Hi, guys. I'm kidding. I need to come up with a good nickname, but until then, I'll just say that I'm an honest mechanic. So I've taken my car to several places or several different cars to places. Plus, I have friends that have taken their cars to places. And I see that there's a recurring trend now that is kind of like what it was back in the 70s, where these garages are now trying to rip people off. Most recently, I even had my own car, took it in for service. I have my teenager driving it, but they told me I needed a new rack and pinion steering unit because the boot is ripped and you can tell that it's been sabotaged. It's not leaking, but there was grease or some type of spray or oil that they put on the boot after it was cut. And I'll show proof of that when I actually do the job. I'm going to record the whole thing. I want to make sure that I blow this place up when I get to that point. Until then, the other thing that they recommended was a $600 rear brake job, which should have been maybe, I'm going to say 350 tops. But this place was just out to rip me off for more than a couple $1,000s, and I'm just not going to go there. I highly recommend that if you have an opportunity, get several different places to look. If you can find a reputable mechanic, then go there, but get more than one opinion. Just don't go and fall for whatever they tell you because a lot of these places are just really crooked now.